Hi everyone, my name is Jane. I'm back again today with another topic on addition of 4 and 5-digit numbers using place value system. What is place value? Place value is the value of a digit based on its position within a number, meaning the same digit can represent different values in different positions. For instance, if we have 386, 3 is the hundred, 8 represent the tens, and 6 is the unit. So today we have two different questions. The first one is 4,378 plus 5,892, and these are 4 options you have to choose from. And the second question is 67,821 plus 89,342, and it also has 4 different options for you to choose from. So let's solve together. The solution for the first one, we have 4,378 plus 5,892. You use the place value method. So if we have 4-digit number, this is the unit, this is the tens, this is the hundred, and this is the thousand. So we'll put our thousand, hundred, tens, and unit. The 8, we start from the right hand side. 8, 7, 3, and 4. Then the second number, we have 2, 9, 8, and 5. You put your addition sign, don't forget. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. You write 0, take 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is what? 17. You write 7, take 1 up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is what? 12. You write 2, take 1 up. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. After counting 3, you put your comma. 1, 2, 3. The comma is here. So the answer we got is 10,270. Let's check our options. Is there 10,270? Yes. D. D is the correct answer. So for the second one, that is a 5-digit number. The first one was 4 digits. This second one is a 5-digit number. We have 67,821 plus 89,342. Okay, let's do it together. This is 6, 7, 8, 2, 1 plus, we start from the right, 2, 4, 3, 9, 8. When you are adding it, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. You write 1, take 1 up. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is what? 17. You write 7, take 1 up. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is what? 15. After counting 3 digits from the right, you put your comma. 1, 2, 3. This is the answer for the 5-digit numbers. 157. It's this one. 157, 163. 157, 163. That's the correct answer. You can see this one is 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how you add your 4 or 5-digit numbers. Thank you very much for watching till this point. See you next time with another topic. Bye.